babysitting.
फास्ट से बात
That was a 23rd Street. And it was a pizza joint. 30.
They got too many.